divide 45 degree with this horizontal. So it is better to follow the 45 degree set square and 30 degree 60 degree set square. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, one interesting thing. So in step, you write your steps later. Last step. Now first, you follow me. One interesting thing you have to remember. Suppose these straight lines are say 28 millimeters. Okay? 28 millimeters. You have to divide this one into 5 equal divisions. 5 equal divisions. Now follow me. With the help of these two set squares, how it is possible to divide this one into number of equal divisions? That is interesting. So you first draw or join these two points very thin line. The line is very thin line. Very thin. Next, you draw any straight line of having any inclination from this point. Is it clear? Up to this it is clear?
Yes, sir.
The objective is to divide any vertical line into any equal divisions, which is not possible to mark with the help of your diagonal step or simple step. Suppose 28 millimeters, if it is divided 7, then it is possible. But if it is divided 5 or 6, it is not possible with the help of scale. Then a method is used. Very simple and interesting method. What is that one? We have to draw line of having any inclination. Then you mark if it is 5 divisions, you mark 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of having equal. Is it clear? If it is 10, so always it will be 10. So with the help of your pencil compass, you just mark 5 points.
So what will be the length of the arc?
No length. Any length but it will be short.
Okay, sir.
Any. But this distance will be same. So with the help of your pencil compass, you just take the pencil compass here and you take 5 points. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, you follow me. Two set squares. Next, you join these 2 points. You join these 2 points. Here, objective is to draw the line parallel to this one, passing through all other points. This line is clear.
Yes, sir.
Objective is to draw line parallel to this one, passing through these points. So this is the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
with the help of this one, we have joined these 2 points. Next, this set square we have to fix here in that side. Fix this one. Then you slide the 30 degree set square will be sliding over this 45 degree. You draw here, this is parallel. Again, you draw a line. This is also parallel. Draw a line. This will be parallel. Draw a line. This will be parallel to the first. Now this vertical height is divided into 5 equal pieces. So all the engineers should remember this method. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Shall I repeat or I will proceed?
sir, please repeat.
Repeat, sir.
Please repeat, sir.
Do you have to satisfy with you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I have one.
So you try. That will be better. Any height is there? So far, a very thin line, we have to draw this one. Then from this point, we have to draw any line of having any inclination, no restriction. Have suppose this height is 28. We have to divide I equal distance. So with the help of your pencil compass, so you mark 5 points of having equal distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Then you join these two last points. Then this is the fertilizer square. You fix this one on this side, fix it, so that it can slide forward freely. So you slide this one, you drop, again you slide, you drop. All these lines will be parallel to the first line. Now, this height 28 millimeter is equally divided into 5 equal distances. So through this point, you draw the line which will be parallel to these two ones.
Okay, sir.
So this method is now clear. While to be applied, here, and the name in your problems, the nameplate is there. You follow. This nameplate is not given. In your problem sheet,
Sir?
is here nameplate. In your problem sheet, the dimensions are there or not? Is this one?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Page number 3.
And is it
Page
there
number 3.
in your problem sheet or not?
Yes, sir.
So you follow that there. What is the vertical distance given there? Suppose this is border line. So you have to complete this nameplate. What is the height given there?
50 mm.
60,
50, sir. 50.
50. And this 120. This length is how much?
Sir, 250.
250.
150. 150.
150. Eh?
150.
Sir,
150.
Oh, yeah, 150.
150.
So that is given. Now 50, we have to divide this one into how many equal divisions?
3, sir. 3.
3.
The number of lines are there, rows are there. How many rows are there?
6. 6.
6. 6.
You please follow your nameplate. I have in my problem sheet, which is present here, that is not given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is there. That means 50 will be divided into 6. It is not possible to help of your scale. So you have to divide this one by this method which I have discussed. So you have to draw very thin line. 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you join this one with the help of your set square. You have to draw. Now it is divided into 6 quadrants. Now it is divided into 6 quadrants. Here, again, you will face a problem to draw this parallel line. I will suggest you that these points are now available. So how you will join? It is better to place this one side of the 36 square, place this one. Then you fix this 45 degrees extra place like this, and you slide this one. So that will be better to draw this parallel line passing through this point. Otherwise, the lines will not be parallel. You can find yourself that the lines which you have drawn through this point may not be parallel. So if you follow this procedure, so that will be better for you. This procedure is now clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Our objective is to draw the lines parallel to this. So you fix this square here. That means this edge of this square will indicate this edge. Very good. Now another set square, this edge will be fixed like this. Fixed. Then it will be sliding. And you draw line passing through this one. Draw line passing through this one. Passing through this one. So all the lines will now be parallel to each other of having equidistance. So you have to complete, after completing this, you have to complete this one. So 150, 50. So you complete this border line, then you complete this one, then you have to draw all other things which I have mentioned here. Now, the interesting thing is lettering. You follow this one?
Sir, we can't hear you. You are not audible.
You are muted.
Now,
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
okay. So you follow this page. You take your rough class now. Shall I proceed? You are ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So double stroke, block capital letter, 7:4 ratio, 30 millimeter high. First, you have to draw line 30 millimeter high. You draw rough class one, you draw. This height is 30 millimeter. 7:4 ratio means 7, it will indicate that this height will be divided into 7 equal divisions. Clear?
Yes.
4 indicates the width of each letter will be equal to 4 equal divisions. Now this meaning is clear? So 7 means this 30 millimeter will be divided by 7.
By
Equal
4, no?
with the
30
help,
mm.
with the help of pen scale, it is not possible. You will apply that method. So you draw a very thin line, you draw another line of having any inclination,
Yes, sir.
7 equal divisions. So with the help of your pencil compass, you mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Then
Sir, 30 mm will be divided in 4 parts, no?
7.
So what is the arc length?
So I think you are not following me. This is why you are asking this type of question. We will end, but this distance will be equal. So you have to join these 2 points. Then these lines will be parallel. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 30 millimeters is now divided into 7 equal divisions. Up to this is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Next, you draw line parallel to this, passing through this point with the help of your set square or with the help of your draft. Have you drawn this one?
Sir, how to use drafter to differentiate the lines?
Have you drawn this one?
Yes, sir.
All of you, this parallel line you have drawn?
Just a minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
With the help of 45 degrees square, you draw line which will be inclined 45 degrees. This one. So this will be 45 degrees, then this will be 45 degrees, this will be 45 degrees like this. It will be extended. That this is 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Then, up to this it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then,
Sir, will these lines be dashed?
then you put this set square here and you draw perpendicular to this one with the help of again set square passing through this point like this one. So this is the end of the set square which will indicate this straight line. Another set square will be fixed like this one and it will be passing through this point with this straight line. Again you slide this one, you draw a straight line. Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
You slide this one, you draw, you slide this set square, you draw through this point, you draw through this point. Now, a number of squares have been formed. Up to this it is clear?
Sir, will these lines be dashed? Sir, the inclined lines?
বলেছি, have I told?
No, sir. It was in the.
Have I told? So
No,
what
sir.
I have told you, just follow. If it is there, if it is center, then I will mention. So 4 means we have to take 4 square division. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the width of each letter will be equals to this set. Up to this is clear? So 7 into 4. Now the meaning is complete. Shall I proceed?
So why did we draw the inclined lines?
Shall I? Which one?
So why did we draw the inclined lines?
What?
Why did we draw the inclined lines?
It's because you have the square. Otherwise, it is not possible.
Okay.
Next, you follow A. Letter in A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 square. That is up to this. A will be complete. So A. Like this one. Like this one. A will be there. So here, midpoint of this and midpoint of this we have to find. How? This is the beauty of drawing square. With the help of the diagonal scale, you join these two, this intersecting point to the midpoint, you project this one. So this is the midpoint. Again, you join these two, this point will be projected here, this will be the midpoint. This is the end point. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the end point. So you join. Again you join. Like this. Now automatically it comes. So what will be thick line? This line will be thick. This line will be thick. This line will be thick. This will be thick. This will be thick. This will be thick. This will be thick. A comes. Shall I repeat or I will proceed?
No,
Sir, please repeat.
So you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We draw separate in your draft class. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 4 square. We have to take the midpoint of this. Join these two. This intersecting point to the midpoint. You project this. How do you project it? In your engineering drawing, always engineering knowledge you have to. This set square will be fixed there. It will be projected 90 degrees. So then another set square will be here, and this point will be shifted along this straight line, so that we can say that yes, it is perpendicularly shifted. It will be shifted perpendicular. Again, thin line, very thin line. You have to project this. This is the midpoint. This is the end point. This is the end point. First, very thin line. You join thin line. You join these two. Again, you join these two. You join these two. Then thick line. The border line is thick line. This is thick. This will be the borderline of A3. This will be thick. This will be thick. This will be thick line. And this portion is. So A automatically comes. Now I think it is clear to you.
It's clear, sir.
You practice again in your last class and then I will proceed.
Sir, so do we need to learn how to letter all the alphabets from A to Z?
Now it is clear.
Sir.
This will be thick line. You have to draw first very thin line. Then with the help of your HD, so you have to so that it comes out. Very simple, but you have to follow the method. Otherwise it is not possible. Then D. Why D? Because in case of D, curve is this. So if you understand how to draw A and how to draw B, then all of the lettering which are given here will be possible for you to draw. Again, 7 to 4 is. You draw like this one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4. You first complete, then I will proceed.
Done, sir.
All of you,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I want response from other students also. Always you 2, 3 respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So D, this will be the single stroke. Double stroke. The nature is like this one.
Yes.
So objective is, try to understand, objective of D, A, C, where card is there, is to find the center and to find the radius of the circle. We have to locate the center and we have to know the radius. That's all. If it is known, then it will be possible for us to draw these smoothly. How? In 7:4 ratio, center will be 2 divisions. You just write this short sentence: 2 divisions from right hand side, from upper side, and the radius will be equal to 2 divisions. Inner radius will be the outer radius, and inner radius will be equal to 1. What I have told, the center will be 2 divisions apart, inner radius will be 1 division, outer radius will be 2 divisions. That's you have to remember only these things. How it will be implemented here? I have told that center is 2 divisions. So for upper, lower. For upper one division, 2 division, 1 division. This will be the center. Any confusion?
No, sir.
For lower, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this will be the center. Now the center are fixed. So with the help of this center, we have to draw 2 arcs. One is having 1 division radius, and the another is having 2 division radius. So with the help of your pencil compass, 1 division radius, 1 division radius. With the help of pencil compass, 2 divisions. 2 division radius, 2 division. Sorry. 2 division radius. Automatically it becomes automatic thick line. We follow. So this border line will be thick line. This will be thick line. This will be thick line. This curve will be thick, but it will not be clear. We give a pencil compass. This will be thick. This line is thick. This curve is thick. This will be thick. This straight line will be thick one. This straight line will be thick, and this. Automatically, B will come. I think it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you write one
Yes,
thing.
sir.
You write one thing that for M and W, 7:4 ratio will be 7:5. Only for this. What does it mean? That for M and W, we have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
For M and W. Figure is there, so you can easily draw this one with the help of this conception that in M and W, in 7:4 ratio, M and W will be for 7:5 ratio. Now you try to draw by yourself A in 7:4 ratio. All of you please try A, double stroke. That means you have to select the 2 centers. Then you have to complete the arc. So one will be at this side, another will be this. So 1 division, 2 division, 1 will be here, and again for this one, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you draw with this point, you draw one division. With this point, you draw two division, two division, here two division, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 1, 2, up to this will come, two division. Now here, one division, one division. Next, it will start with this two division. Is clear or no? Then this will be here, and it will come up to this two division. Automatically it will come. With this pointer center, one division. So with therefore one division, it will come up to this one, up to this one. This is one division always. With this pointer center, two division. So this will be two, this will be two, two, up to this it will come up. It will draw with the help of pencil compass. Then for this one, is one division up. It will start with division 1, then 2 division up. It will start with 1 division up. Automatically, 8 will come that division. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in your problem sheet, you have to complete this one, which has been given in the problem sheet. So you have to draw A, B, C, J, K, M, S, and then letters. So the conception of 7:4 ratio data is complete. Then the same thing will be for 5:4 ratio. Shall I proceed or you need some clarification?
Yes, sir.
So for 5:4 ratio, 28 millimeter, we draw another, say 28 millimeter. It is better if you draw by yourself on your rough classroom. Since it is online mode, it is not possible to me to follow whether you have drawn or not. So height is 28 millimeter. This is 28 millimeter. Five is to 4 ratio. So what does it mean 5? Like 7:4 ratio.
Sir, 5
Five
is to
divisions.
divide the 28 millimeter into 5 division
28 millimeter
into 5 division.
into 5 equal division. Again, you have to draw a thin line, any line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to join this one, and we have to draw a line parallel to this one. Again, we have to draw 45 degree line. You have this square. I think after this it is clear.
Clear, sir.
Shall I repeat or I will proceed?
Proceed, sir.
Proceed, sir.
So far, 28 millimeter, I equal division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These distance will be equal. Degrees. Very thin line. These lines should be very thin line. Always the letter in question should be thin. Next A. So again, same process. This point here, this point here. You join, you draw by yourself, that will be better. A is automatically. Only you have to remember what is art portion. 1, 2, 3, 4. A you have drawn. Shall I discuss B?
Wait a minute, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Completed, sir.
Other students?
Sir.
Completed other students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So B. Now again you write for 5:4 ratio. Center 1.5 division. Inner radius half division. Outer radius 1.5. So 1.5, 1.5. That means this midpoint will be the required center for upper one, and 1.5, 1.5. This will be for the lower half portion. Is clear or not? Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Okay, separately I am drawing. Make zoom mode. I need to go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1.5. That means the midpoint of this one will be the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1.5 for the lower portion. So one arc will be drawn with the help of pencil compass or writing radius half division. So with this point by center and half division means it will be coming up to this one half. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
And 1.5 division means again it will be coming up to this one. 1.5 division. Similarly, half division it will be coming up to this one half, and 1.5. What will be thick line? So this will be this. Up to this it is straight. For up to this it is straight. Half. Because the car radius is 1.5. So it will be car up to this one. 1.5 up to this it will be straight. Then it will be car. This will be straight. Up to this it will be straight. Half. Have you followed?
Yes, sir.
Now these. Five is to four. So if the card is there, in case of 5 is to 4 ratio, always we have to find the center like this one. And with the help of this center, we have to draw two arcs. One is having half division radius, another is having 1.5 division. If this point you remember, then it will not be difficult to draw another method or number. So 7:4 ratio, 5:4 ratio, complete. Now shall I proceed for another two simple types. One is mechanical type, another one is italic. Now mechanical type. Height is 16 millimeter. 16 millimeter. 8:9. So with the help of your scale, it is possible. So you need not divide this one like this. One is 2 millimeter. You have to draw 2 millimeter and the center. Very simple. Only method you have to remember. That's then the width is to 9. That is 9 into 2. That is 18. So this will be the width 18. Again, this will be the width 18.
Please again tell the dimensions.
So B, you follow this one. In case of A, there is no problem. A midpoint is there, midpoint is there. A. But B, where card is there, card will be replaced by 45 degree inclined line. 45 degree inclined line. So this is, suppose this is the angle of this line. Then 45 degree incline, 45 degree. You draw, this will be 45 degree, this will be 45 degree. Okay. This is 45, this will be 45, this is vertical, 45, 40. Again, this will be 45. This one. So shall I repeat or it is understood by you?
Sir, can you please repeat?
Yes. In case of D or A or like this one, where card is there, only you have to remember that the card portion will be replaced by 45 degrees. This will be straight line, 45 degrees, 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Now it's clear? So you have to represent here. This is 2 millimeter, midline, 2 millimeter. So width is 18, this is 18. It is not 80. Now 45 degree, 45 degree. You draw 45 degree. These will be lying on a vertical, thin line, very thin line. Then you draw 45 degree for this one. You draw 45 degree for this one. Again you draw 45 degree. It will be touched here, and very simple way you can draw this one. Here.
Yes, sir.
So I forgot to say that in case of 5:4 ratio, also M and W will be 5:5 ratio. You just write it. So 5:5 ratio. But in case of mechanical type, it will be 8:9. There will know. So 7:4 ratio completed. 5:4 ratio regarding completed. Mechanical type regarding completed. Only italic type. Italic type. The last one. This is the PN. 1:2, 2:1. So 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 3 millimeter. So total 12 millimeter. So total 12, 3 millimeter, 6 millimeter, 3 millimeter. Now is it clear? So later height will be 6 millimeter. Then how you write the following? 75 degree inclined line. 75 degree means this is 45 degree and this is 30 degree. So you have to draw a number of lines which will be inclined at 75 degree with the horizon. With the horizon. This is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. Again I am putting you follow. Have you followed or?
Yes, sir.
So later height is 6 millimeter. So this is 6. Ratio is 1:2:1. That means this will be 3, this will be 3. Now 45 degree and 30 degree will make 75. 75. It may be in this side or you can draw in this side also. So 45 degree, 30 degree. So this side is 75. You have to draw a number of 75 degree inclined line so that these letters are parallel to this 75 degree inclined line. How? This will be freehand. You have to write like this. A. B. L. C. D. E. E. A. This will be 6 millimeter. Very simple thing, but only the method you have to do.
Sir, what is the gap between the 75-degree lines?
More or less equal, up to you.
Okay, sir.
Nothing is fixed. So that always drawing means it will look better. So this is end of today's class. Now I summarize what you have to do. You follow me. So first, suppose this is the page of the drawing sheet. First, you have to complete border line, then nameplate, then first is 7:4 ratio, second is 5:4 ratio, third is for mechanical type, and the last one is for Italian type. Then you have to complete types of line, dimensioning, sections of material, arrowhead, hatching, radius. Is it clear or not?
Sir, it should be done on full size drawing paper,
No.
half size.
Why are you asking like this one? I have told you number of times. And I have shown you also. This one. This one. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Then the types of line 60 mm. Then dimensioning, then given material, section of material, arrowhead, hatching, which is completed here. Then rail section, you have to complete. Then 7:4 ratio, 5:4 ratio, mechanical type, electrical. You have to submit this on your Google Classroom session. Classroom is there now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have to submit that one.
Sir, could you tell what to do after all the lines and italics?
So the last date of submission is before the next class. That means 10th January. So you start drawing from today, then it will be not difficult for you to complete this one within this period.
Sir, could you tell what to do after italics, like all the places where we need to draw?
A, B, C, D is just like this one. You have to just follow this one, problem sheet.
Yes, sir, that I understood. After that, you told the rail section and then types of lines, the positions and all that.
I think you don't follow the class. First you have to draw this line.
Yes, sir.
Then you start types of lines.
Yes, sir.
And you have to draw that. Then different material section, arrowhead, hatching. Then
Yes, sir.
rail section you complete here. And after that you start your lettering and
Yes, sir.
numbering.
Sir, 10th before class, or do we have the full day of 10th?
10.
Okay, sir.
In the 10th, I will check haphazardly. So before 10th, you have to submit this one.
Okay, sir.
Before my next class. So what you have submitted haphazardly, I will check for any one of
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
you. So my advice is to start drawing from today. Otherwise, you will forget. Otherwise, you will not be able to complete this one. Then, if anything is asked, you must say, or you have to say that echoing problem is there, something is there. But you try to complete this one starting from today. So now attendance. Attendance, how I will take?
Sir, can we write in chat
We
box?
can take via chat box. We give in many class via chat box.
AMD means which department? AMD.
Sir, applied mechanics, sir. Aerospace engineering.
Oh, AE is not there. AME is there. Okay. AMB 0258.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Zero two seven,
Present, sir.
028,
Present, sir.
029,
Present, sir.
030,
Present, sir.
CEB 077,
Present, sir.
079,
Present, sir.
081,
Present, sir.
082,
Present, sir.
083,
Present, sir.
Sir, my annual number is sir CEB 080. You don't call me, sir.
that is not present there. 084,
Present, sir.
085,
Present, sir.
086,
Present, sir.
087, 087, so 087 is absent. 088,
Present, sir.
Direction, present, sir.
087 present. Why late? 089,
Present, sir.
095,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
CSB, CS means computer science, no?
Yes, sir.
So CSB, wait, 058,
Present, sir.
062,
Present, sir.
065,
Present, sir.
066,
Present, sir.
067, 068, 068, CSB Ranjan,
Present, sir. Present.
069,
Present, sir.
Electrical, EEB, 049,
Present, sir.
why B is there? EEB.
Sir, I think beats were
Branch. Bachelor.
Oh, electrical.
Before BTech.
Oh, B for BTech.
Yes, sir.
050,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
052,
Present, sir.
053,
Present.
054,
Yes, sir.
055,
Present, sir.
057,
Present, sir.
058,
Present, sir.
059,
Present, sir.
ET means electronics.
So can we leave?
ETB, 035,
उपस्थित हो सर.
036,
Present, sir.
037,
Present, sir.
039,
Present, sir.
040,
Yes, sir.
041. Yes, you can leave after your attendance. 041, electronics,
Sir, you didn't call sir EE051.
that is not present, but at the end of the attendance, you can tell your roll number, I will give you attendance, okay? So on my screen, what you are telling, it is not present. There will be no problem. So first we complete. So
Okay,
ETB 041. So he is absent.
Sir, 041 present, sir.
Present, sir. Why are you late?
Sir, my mic was not working.
Something will not be working. For 2 years experience I have. 042.
Present, sir.
053. No. IT. Next IT. ITB 053.
Present, sir.
054.
present sir.
055.
Present, sir.
056.
Present sir.
057.
Present, sir.
058.
Present, sir.
059.
Present, sir.
060.
Present, sir.
061.
Present, sir.
062.
Present, sir.
063.
Present, sir.
64. Okay, then mechanical. ME 050.
Sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Present sir.
53.
Present, sir.
54.
Present, sir.
55.
Present, sir.
56.
Present sir.
57.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
59.
Present sir.
60.
Present, sir. Present.
Yes, MM. What is MM? Metallurgy.
Metallurgy.
Metallurgy and materials. So now metallurgy and material 025.
Present, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
Next, MN, mining. Mining 025, Omsit.
Present, sir.
26. Mining 26, Vicky. Absent. 28.
Present, sir.
29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
Okay. Only the students showing here.
Sir,
Sir, 26 is present, sir. Sir, MNB 026.
006 is also, sir, present, sir.
Okay, now if any, hello. Now you please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me whose attendance is not taking.
Sir EEB051.
One by one. E
B051.
05. Next,
Sir, CEB 080.
CB 080. Next, Next.
Mining
Huh?
026 Vicky Kumar. Mining 026 Vicky Kumar.
Mining 026, you have given the attendance. Why you are repeating? Okay, I think. if
Sir,
I-
sir, I have a doubt. Sir,
अच्छा नहीं यार देते ना
sir, do we have to draw each letter from A to Z or only those letters which are
No, only
mentioned?
those letters which are mentioned there.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Repeatedly, I am telling that everything given in the problem sheet number 1, you have to copy just.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, mining 026 present.
So I am leaving now. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.